Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Mercedes-Benz GLK. 2013 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350, where luxury meets power. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2013 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350, where luxury meets performance. Powered by a 3.5L V6 engine with 302 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque, this SUV is a smooth yet powerful ride. Dressed in elegant polar white with a refined almond/mocha leather interior, it's a head-turner inside and out. Enjoy premium features like a panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, heated front seats, and a premium sound system, all standard from the factory. With under 120k miles, less than 10k/year, it's been gently driven and well-maintained. Fuel economy? 19 city/25 highway mpg. Impressive for a luxury SUV. Plus, it boasts a clean Carfax and is in excellent condition. Ready to ride in style and comfort? The GLK 350 is calling. Don't miss out. Drive luxury today. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.